Hey Xiaomi users who want to give your HyperOS a fresh new look. Today I am going to show you a new OxygenOS 16.1 inspired HyperOS theme that completely changes the look and feel of your phone. So let's check out the theme and see how you can apply it on your Xiaomi device. Let's start with the home screen. Here the layout clearly resembles the OxygenOS 16 home screen, especially with the stock style clock widget placed at the top left. The overall layout gives a clean and familiar OxygenOS 16 vibe. If you look at the icons, they look almost identical to the ones we see on OxygenOS 16 devices, especially the system app icons. One interesting thing about this icon pack is the clock icon, which actually a working analog clock. But if you look closely, you will notice the Never Settle logo in the center, which not only makes the clock icon unique, but also makes the home screen feel even closer to OxygenOS 16. The control center is basically based on the stock HyperOS 3 layout, but the toggles and icons clearly gives off an OxygenOS 16 vibe, especially the mobile data and Wi-Fi toggles. In addition to that, the status bar is also inspired by OxygenOS 16, which further enhances the overall OxygenOS experience while opening the control center. Next, let's move to the settings menu. Here as well the layout closely resembles the OxygenOS 16 setting layout along with matching themed icons. But the interesting part is that even the sub-settings follow the same design layout. And you will find the OxygenOS logo in the About Device section, which adds even more to the OxygenOS feel. Now coming to the main highlight of this theme, the lock screen. And here as well the layout closely resembles the OxygenOS 16 lock screen, which also comes with a 3D effect, making the overall lock screen look even more premium. But that's not all. Let's take a look at some of the customization features. First, if you tap on these arrows, the wallpaper changes instantly, allowing you to choose a wallpaper according to your preference. However, if you want to select a specific wallpaper, simply tap on the wallpaper icon and scroll through the available options to find the one that matches your style. Second, you can also customize the clock widget by tapping on the edit icon. From here, you can change the clock style, adjust its alignment, and even customize its color to better match your wallpaper. Next, come to the date section, where you get multiple options to choose from, whether it's the primary date format or the secondary one. In addition to that, you can also tweak notification settings and explore a few more customization options according to your needs. So that's everything about the theme. Now let's see how you can apply it on your phone. First, go to the pinned comment and download the MTZ file of the theme. Then open the MTZ Tester app. Tap on Select Theme and choose the OS 16 Gen 1 MTZ file. And boom, your OxygenOS 16.1 inspired HyperOS theme has been applied successfully on your Xiaomi, Redmi or Poco device. By the way, this MTZ theme was shared by one of our subscribers, me too. So a big thank you for sharing such an amazing HyperOS 3 theme with us. So this is the new OxygenOS 16.1 inspired HyperOS theme for any Xiaomi device. I hope you liked this theme. If you did, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more upcoming HyperOS themes. See you in the next one. Till then, keep customizing.